The advancement of science in medicine and its importance to human life. Science has made tremendous progress in the field of medicine, and its importance to human life cannot be overstated. Medical science has made remarkable advancements in diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of diseases, thereby improving the quality of life for millions of people around the world. One of the significant advancements in medical science is the development of vaccines. Vaccines have saved countless lives by protecting people from infectious diseases. Diseases such as polio, smallpox, measles, and rubella, which were once widespread and deadly, have been nearly eradicated thanks to the development of vaccines. Another significant advancement in medical science is the development of antibiotics. Antibiotics have revolutionized the treatment of bacterial infections and have saved countless lives. Before the discovery of antibiotics, bacterial infections such as pneumonia, tuberculosis, and syphilis were often fatal. But today, antibiotics are widely available, and bacterial infections are easily treated. Moreover, medical science has made significant progress in the field of genetics. The mapping of the human genome has provided scientists with a wealth of information about the genetic basis of diseases. This has led to the development of personalized medicine and targeted therapies, which are more effective and have fewer side effects than traditional treatments. Additionally, medical science has made significant progress in the field of medical devices. Devices such as pacemakers, artificial joints, and prosthetic limbs have improved the quality of life for millions of people around the world. These devices have enabled people with disabilities and chronic illnesses to lead more normal and fulfilling lives. The importance of medical science to human life cannot be overstated. Medical advancements have led to longer life expectancy, improved quality of life, and a reduced burden on healthcare systems around the world. Medical science has also provided hope for the future, with ongoing research into new treatments and cures for diseases. Medical science has also made significant contributions to the field of mental health. Research into the brain and its functions has led to improved treatments for mental illnesses such as depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia. Medications and therapies have been developed that are effective in treating these illnesses, and have enabled people with mental illnesses to lead normal and productive lives. In addition, medical science has made significant progress in the field of cancer research. Through ongoing research and clinical trials, new treatments and therapies have been developed that are more effective than traditional treatments. These treatments are less invasive and have fewer side effects, improving the lives of cancer patients and increasing their chances of survival. Furthermore, medical science has played a crucial role in addressing global health challenges such as pandemics and infectious diseases. Scientists and researchers around the world have worked tirelessly to develop vaccines and treatments for diseases such as COVID-19, Ebola, and HIV/AIDS. This work has saved countless lives and has helped to prevent the spread of these diseases. The importance of medical science to human life is clear. Medical advancements have led to longer and healthier lives, improved quality of life, and a reduced burden on healthcare systems. Medical science has also provided hope for the future, with ongoing research and development of new treatments and cures for diseases. However, there are challenges that must be addressed. Funding for medical research and development is often limited, and there are ethical considerations that must be taken into account when developing new treatments and therapies. Additionally, there are disparities in access to healthcare and medical treatments, which must be addressed to ensure that everyone has access to the benefits of medical science. Medical science has also made significant progress in the field of regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine is a field that involves the use of stem cells, tissue engineering, and other techniques to repair